Welcome friends. Today we shall discuss some numericals on thermal expansion of solid. So you can get a brief concept of this. So let us start with first example. On heating a glass block of 10,000 semi-cube from 25 degree to 40 degree, its volume increases by 4 semi-cube. Calculate linear expansion of the block. Calculate linear expansion of the block. So how can we solve it? At first, we can write down the parameters. On heating a glass block of 10,000 semi-cube, that is initial volume V equal to 10,000 semi-cube. V equal to 10,000 semi-cube. Temperature increase, that is delta of T is equal to 25 to 40, that is 40 minus 25 degree, that is 15 degree centigrade. Its volume increased by 4 semi, that is delta V is given by 4 semi cube. So we know the value of gamma equal to delta V change in volume by initial volume into change in temperature. This is the expression of volume expansion of solid. Put the value of delta V, that is 4 divided by initial volume 10,000 into 15 degree centigrade. So if we calculate it, please take your calculator and calculate it with yourself. We can get it 26.67 into 10 to the power minus 6 degree centigrade inverse. We know that the value of linear coefficient alpha equal to gamma by 3. Therefore, 26.67 into 10 to the power minus 6 is simply divided by 3. We get the value of linear expansion. So the value of linear expansion is 8.89 into 10 to the power minus 6 degree centigrade inverse. So we can get our first math. I hope you will understand this so quick. लिख लो इसे पूरा तरह से खाता में. अगर कोई भी दिक्कत हो तो मुझे कमेंट में बता दीजिएगा. So next we go for the second mathematics. The density rho of a material is related to the is given by mass by volume. Density rho is given by mass by volume. We have to prove that the coefficient of volume expansion gamma is equal to minus 1 by rho d rho dt. How can we prove that? A density rho of a material is given by m by v relation. So let us take the solution. We know gamma is equal to v by delta v by v into delta t, change in volume by initial volume into change in temperature. Now relation is rho equal to m by v, that is m v minus 1. Differentiate with respect to temperature. Then we can get d of rho by dt is equal to m. Mass is constant, so it can take outside the differentiate, and ddt of v to the power minus 1. We can know that ddx of x to the power n means n x to the power n minus 1. This is the relation. So we can get it minus m v to the power minus 1, here n is minus 1. So n, that is minus 1, x to the power, here x is v, n minus 1, that is minus 1 minus 1, that is minus m v to the power minus 2. m v to the power minus 2, and again we can differentiate v with respect to t, that is dv dt. So minus m v to the power minus 2 into dv dt is equal to d rho dt. Therefore we can get d rho by dt or d rho dt equal to minus m v minus 2 dv dt. Gamma, we can take out the value of gamma, that is, if we write it in terms of minus m by v square into dv dt, minus m by v square dv dt. Therefore d of rho by dt, d of rho by dt is equal to minus m by minus m by v into 1 by v dv dt. Now 1 by v dv dt, if we take this equation, is gamma, is equal to gamma. Therefore from this, if we write it d rho dt equal to minus m by v 1 by v dv dt, so it can be written as minus m by v 1 by v dv dt is volume expansion gamma. Therefore we can get gamma is equal to minus v by m into d of rho dt. M by v is equal to rho, that is v of m is inversely rho, that is 1 by rho minus 1 by rho d rho dt. Proved. I hope you understand it. अगर डिफरेंशिएशन नहीं समझ में आया तो हम कह दें कि अगर कोई भी x के डी डी एक्स ऑफ एक्स टू द पावर with respect to x, d dx of x to the power n, with respect to x we can get nx to the power n minus 1. But if the differentiation is or other term, suppose t to the power n, here x differentiation get with respect to x, but the variable is t, then at first this formula is to be derived, that is n t to the power n minus 1 for this, and if as this is function of t in spite of x, we can also get dt dx. So here the function is v, so for v to the power minus 1 we get minus v to the power minus 2 and dv dt, as this is a function of v not t. If this will be function of t to the power minus 1, then this term will not arise. So at last we can get the volume expansion gamma is equal to minus 1 by rho d rho dt. लिख लीजिए इसको. Next we go for the third problem. A metal rod or a brass rod is measured by a steel scale, measured by a steel scale a brass rod is at 30 degree centigrade is observed to be 1 meter long when measured by a steel scale which is correct at 0 degree centigrade. एक ब्रास रॉड है जिसको हम एक स्टील स्केल से मेजर कर रहे हैं. ये स्केल है स्टील का और 30 डिग्री सेंटीग्रेड में ये मेजर कर रहा है. तो 30 डिग्री सेंटीग्रेड में ये मेजर होता है कि लेंथ ऑफ ब्रास रॉड इज 1 meter. But the scale is not correct at 30 degree centigrade. It can be said that in the question that the scale is correct at 0 degree centigrade. That is, when the length of brass rod is measured at 0 degree centigrade, it will get accurate result. सो व्हाट विल बी लेंथ ऑफ ब्रास रॉड एट 0 डिग्री सेंटीग्रेड। देखिए क्वेश्चन को समझिए पूरे। एक स्टील के स्केल से एक ब्रास रॉड, ब्रास है एक मटेरियल, तुम जानते हो जो ब्रास एक मटेरियल है, एलॉय है कॉपर और जिंक का। तो इस ब्रास रॉड को अगर मेजर करते हैं हम एक स्टील स्केल से, तो वो होता है 1 मीटर। द लेंथ ऑफ ब्रास रॉड इज 1 मीटर व्हेन मेजर्ड एट 30 डिग्री सेंटीग्रेड। बट दिस इज नॉट ट्रू और दिस इज नॉट एररलेस, because in which scale it measured, the scale is defaulted at 30 degree centigrade. It will be correct at 0 degree centigrade. So अगर 0 डिग्री सेंटीग्रेड में ये ब्रास रॉड का लेंथ लिया होता तो वो क्या होता? What will be the length of brass rod at 0 degree centigrade? Given अल्फा दे दिया है, गिवन अल्फा फॉर स्टील इज 0.00012 0.00012 डिग्री सेंटीग्रेड इनवर्स फॉर स्टील। स्टील स्केल का जो लीनियर एक्सपेंशन है वो है 0.00012 पर डिग्री सेंटीग्रेड। एंड ऑल्सो अल्फा फॉर ब्रास इज ऑल्सो अल्फा स्टील and alpha brass is given 0.00019 degree centigrade inverse, 0.00019 डिग्री सेंटीग्रेड। तो हम कैसे इसको निकालें? ध्यान दीजिए। अगर 0 डिग्री में ये स्केल सही है तो हमको ये लेंथ मेजर करना होगा 0 डिग्री में। तो हमको पहले देखना होगा कि 0 डिग्री सेंटीग्रेड में स्टील स्केल का लेंथ क्या होता है। 0 डिग्री सेंटीग्रेड में स्टील स्केल का लेंथ क्या होता है? क्या 0 डिग्री सेंटीग्रेड में ये स्टील स्केल 1 मीटर लॉन्ग है? क्या वो 1 मीटर ही लेंथ है और नहीं है? सो 0 डिग्री सेंटीग्रेड में जो स्केल है, एज द स्केल इज करेक्ट एट 0 डिग्री, सो ईच डिविजन ऑफ स्केल इज 1 सेमी। 0 डिग्री सेंटीग्रेड में ये जो मिनिमम डेविएशन है और लीस्ट काउंट है, लीस्ट काउंट मीन्स द वैल्यू ऑफ 1 स्मॉलेस्ट डिविजन, ये है 0 डिग्री में 1 सेमी, बिकॉज इट इज करेक्टेड एट 0 डिग्री सेंटीग्रेड। सो 30 डिग्री सेंटीग्रेड में इसका ट्रू लेंथ क्या होगा? इसका ट्रू लेंथ क्या होगा? सो 30 डिग्री सेंटीग्रेड में इसका ट्रू लेंथ होगा L0 1 प्लस अल्फा डेल्टा टी। तो 30 डिग्री सेंटीग्रेड में 1 सेमी लेंथ ऑफ स्केल, 30 डिग्री सेंटीग्रेड में स्केल का जो एक स्मॉल, द लेंथ ऑफ 1 स्मॉल डिविजन इज 0 डिग्री। at 0 degree centigrade it is 1 semi. At 30 degree centigrade it is 1 into 1 plus alpha still is 0.00012 into delta t, that is 30 minus 30 minus 0, 30 minus 0 is equal to 30. This is at semi. So in 30 degree centigrade, each smallest division is given by 1.00036 सेमी. ये 30 डिग्री सेंटीग्रेड में ये स्केल का एक इंक्रीज होगा। 0 डिग्री में स्केल का जो घर है वो 0 डिग्री सेंटीग्रेड में 1 सेमी है, 1 सेमी। लेकिन 30 डिग्री सेंटीग्रेड में ये ड्यू टू इंक्रीज इन लेंथ इट इज 1.00036 सेमी। सो 30 डिग्री सेंटीग्रेड में जो लेंथ लिया था 1 मीटर लॉन्ग, इस ब्रास रॉड का लेंथ हुआ था 30 डिग्री में 1 मीटर। सो उसका एक्चुअल लेंथ क्या होगा? उसका एक्चुअल लेंथ होगा, एक्चुअल लेंथ ऑफ ब्रास रॉड इज इक्वल टू 0 डिग्री में 30 डिग्री में उसका होगा 1.00036 इंटू 100, बिकॉज 100 सेमी इक्वल टू 1 मीटर। एक घर का एक स्मॉलेस्ट डिवीजन ऑफ स्केल इज गिवन बाय 1.00036 सेमी। सो होल स्केल का कितना होगा? 100 से मल्टीप्लाई करेगा। सो इट कैन बी गिवन एज 100.036 सेमी, 100.036 सेमी। Now, actual length of brass rod at 30 degree centigrade is that is, it can be said at L30. So we can find out the value of L0. We can find the value of L0, that is the length of brass rod at 0 degree centigrade. We know that L of 30 is equal to L0 1 plus alpha brass into delta t. So L30 is, we can find L30 100.036 equal to L0 हमको फाइंड आउट करना है। 1 प्लस अल्फा, अल्फा ऑफ ब्रास इज गिवन बाय 0.000019 into delta t is 30. So if we calculate it, we can get the value of brass rod at 0 degree centigrade is given by 99.98 semi, 99.98 semi. थोड़ा सा कठिन है पीबीएस मैथ की, अगर मैं कंपेयर करूं तो प्रीवियस जो मैथ है उससे थोड़ा कठिन है, मगर आई होप यू अंडरस्टैंड इट। कि 30 डिग्री सेंटीग्रेड में ब्रास रॉड का जो मेजर है वो होता है ये, तो 0 डिग्री में हमको फाइंड आउट करना है। Now we can go for next problem. Calculate the force. Calculate a steel wire of 2 millimeter diameter is staged between two clamps when temperature is 40 degree centigrade. A steel wire is stretched by a force. A steel wire of 2 millimeter diameter, इसका जो डायमीटर है वो है 2 मिलीमीटर, दैट इज 0.2 सेंटीमीटर। इसको स्ट्रेच किया है एट 40 डिग्री सेंटीग्रेड। जब स्ट्रेच किया है इसका टेम्परेचर है T1 इज 40 डिग्री सेंटीग्रेड। Calculate the tension in the wire when its temperature fall 30 degree centigrade. When temperature will fall at 30 degree centigrade, what is the tension produced in the wire? Given Young modulus Y is, Young modulus for steel is given, that is 21 into 10 to the power 12 dyne per semi square, 10 to the power 11, 12 into 10 to the power 11 dyne per centimeter square, and alpha of steel is and alpha of steel is given as 1.1 into 10 to the power minus 6, 10 to the power minus 6 degree centigrade. How can you solve it? हमको टेंशन find out. We know that Young modulus is given by stress by strain. Stress is force by area, strain is delta L by L. So, F L divided by A into delta L. Now, what is delta L? Delta L is L alpha delta T. So, Y is equal to F L by A into L alpha delta T. L alpha delta T. So, L into alpha of steel is 1.1 into 10 to the power minus 6 and delta T is 40 minus 30, that is 10 semi. Then we can get 1.1 into 10 to the power minus 5, 1.1 into 10 to the power minus 5. 1.1 given alpha, value of alpha is 1.1 into 10 to the power minus, value of alpha is given 1.1 10 to the power minus 6. So, you can get this as 1.1 into 10 to the power minus 5 L. 1.1 10 to the power minus 5 L. So, we need to find out the value of F. From this equation we can get F equal to Y A. L alpha delta T is value as delta T, L alpha delta T, the value of delta L is 1.1 into 10 to the power minus 5 into L divided by small l. So, this is the value of F. L cancel out, given Y 21 into 10 to the power 11 multiplied by A. As it is a circle, where the face of where is circular, so it given by the area is pi r square, that is value of pi into r. R is 0.2 by 2, 0.2 by 2, that is 0.1 semi. Therefore, pi r square is 0.1 square into multiplied by 1.1 into 1.1 into 10 to the power minus 5 dyne. 1.1 into 10 to the power minus 5 dyne. If we put this value, we can get 7.26 into, we can get 7.26 into 10 to the power 5 dyne. 7.26 into 10 to the power 5 dyne. I hope you understand it. And this force is also called thermal stress, F by A. F by A, the value of F by A is called thermal stress. So, in this way we can find out different mathematical problems. I hope you understand it. So, if you like, please subscribe my channel and view my channel for the further videos. Thank you.